Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2003 Toyota Tacoma. With the exception of the parking light, all of the headlights are accessible by simply reaching behind their respective housings. You may need a rivet popper or a panel puller to help pry off a bulb cover, but otherwise no tools will be required to change these bulbs. The battery is in the front of the driver's side of the engine bay. Both the bracket and the terminals are easily accessible right on top, making them easy to remove in the event you need to replace the battery. The engine air filter is in the front of the passenger side of the engine bay. Although you will need to pry off a small hose and disengage a few fasteners, no tools will be needed to do so, and the housing lifts up with ease to give you direct access to the filter. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You must remove the corner bulb housing in the front of the vehicle to change the parking light. This will require a Phillips head screwdriver to disengage, after which you must wiggle the housing to get it out. The rear bulb housing must be removed to access any of the taillights. This will require the removal of multiple Phillips head screws, and once taken out of the vehicle, an additional cover must be pried off before you can reach the bulbs. The spare tire is stored underneath the vehicle and must be lowered via the jack extension in the bumper hole. This is an unintuitive design, as the spare could become rusted to the undercarriage and be rendered inaccessible in the event you need to service a flat. Overall, the 2003 Toyota Tacoma is a relatively easy truck to maintain and would be a good choice for the new or inexperienced truck owner.